Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Annie. So today we are going to do a no contact reading for Libra. Okay, so this is a general reading. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. The contact details are in the description of this reading, so you can figure out from there. And we will see what are the current energies of this connection, energies of you and your person, what is blocking this connection, and what is the advice for you, Libra. The roles can be reversed, so please see how it resonates. Alright, let's see. What's the current energy in this connection, Libra? Alright, I'll take this. Okay, one person here in this connection is not able to decide what do they want in their life. Maybe they are struggling between work and personal life, and for some of you they are making a choice between you or the other person. Yes, definitely. This person definitely is focusing on emotional fulfillment. Maybe for some of you they have achieved a lot in their life and now they are planning to settle down, not afraid of showing what they have achieved. Whatever they have achieved is the rewards of their hard work, and now they are looking for settling down, but not able to make a decision on what do they ultimately they are going to choose. So they are still in that dicey mode, and given they are not able to decide anything, they are overthinking. They are going through an emotional turmoil where they are overthinking a lot and basically dancing in the same loop of whether I should go for this, I should go for that. That's what is happening. Let's see, what does this person feel for you, Libra? What does this person feel for you here? What are the feelings of this person towards you or this connection? What does this person feel? All right, the person basically wants to have a long-term thing, but it can be an immature energy of either you or your person, that this person is not able to decide on what do they want. This person may be a younger person of the family, may be very upfront, very straightforward, and sometimes see, being straightforward is good, that this person is very honest and they don't keep anything to themselves. Whatever they feel like, they speak it out, but at the same time sometimes being too upfront may hurt the feelings of other person. So that may be an immature behavior you might feel like about this person. Okay, but this person is very honest in their communication, very focused, and they know where do they want to see this connection, but they are definitely stuck in this connection. They are like not able to move out. It can be either you or your person, as I said, stuck in this energy, stuck in this connection. Yeah, they want to decide and move on. If this connection is going to happen, it will happen. Otherwise they will definitely move out of this connection. And for some of you, I also feel this person may try to, they have already made up their mind of moving out, but they are not sure on how to communicate it, if that is the thing which is pending in this connection. They are definitely looking to move forward in their life. I think they don't want to be in this stuck energy anymore. They have already made a choice. I don't know, I feel so. This person has already made a choice. Alright, let's see what is blocking this connection here, dear. What is blocking this connection? What is blocking this connection, Libra? Alright. Yep. Okay. This person is basically trying to prove their point right, instead of focusing on listening to themselves. Yes, they feel like there are so many challenges in this connection, and now they want to settle down. They're like, I'm done with this challenge and just want to settle it out. Maybe they will say things to you, they will reach out to you and say whatever is bothering them, and basically I feel this person is ready to make a move for whatever is good for them. If you or the other person they are dealing with, they are definitely going to make a choice for one person involved in this connection. It may or may not be you. It all depends on what the person has decided in their life. Yes, definitely moving on. This person is like, trying to focus on peace, mental peace, emotional peace. Enough of this drama, enough of these challenges, and now they are like focusing on moving towards a calmer area in their life, focusing on the connection which brings peace in their life. It can be you are focusing on something which will give you mental peace. It's like enough of dealing with the challenges, enough of dealing with this drama every now and then, and now I want peace. I want to focus on something which will give me peace, because of so many challenges, so many things, because of this stuck energy, you are not able to sleep properly in night. You are going through sleepless nights. For some of you, it's very like so many thoughts are running in, overthinking, right? That you are not able to focus on your health, on your work, on your well-being, and now you want to focus towards your mental peace, emotional peace, everything. So you are moving out from this dramatic or challenging situation and focusing on what is for your own good. Let's see what is the advice for you here. We will see. Alright, first we will see if there is a communication going to happen, what it will be. Next 10 to 15 days, can you expect something from this person, a kind of communication? Please ignore the background noise, there is some work going on. Alright. Yes, I think this person might reach out with a very clear cut, they are like, enough of overthinking, I have given so much thought to it, and now this is what I want in my life. It can be making a choice, choosing you over the other person or other person over you, but whatever it is, this person will definitely communicate it. Maybe expect a communication in next 6 days, where this person is very sure of whatever decision they have made, it's going to bring them so much of peace, growth and clarity in their life. Alright, the advice for you here is to be very confident, deal with the situation in a very mature way. Alright, Ace of Swords and King of Swords. So you are advised here to be very confident, deal with the situation in a very mature way, analyze the situation from all the aspects. If you are the one to make a choice, then analyze the situation from all the perspective, all the angles. Be very clear in your communication, in your thinking and in your goal. Okay, whatever is not acceptable, be very clear about it, and very deal with the situation with so much of maturity, and don't let the emotions overpower you. Be very clear in your communication. All right, focus on your work, focus on your growth, and decide what is for your highest good. Okay, so that's the reading, Libra. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.